Hey, and welcome to another video. So in this video I wanted to show you how to make some healthy salad dressings, because everyone knows that eating salad is healthy, but a lot of the times the salad dressing is where people go wrong, because most store-bought salad dressings have canola oil, they have sugar, they have egg powder, they have milk powder, they have all these nasty things in them. And a lot of the times it's not the salad, it's the dressing. So what I wanted to show you is a couple of salad dressings that are tasty and they're really easy to make, because I never knew that salad dressings was so easy to make. All you need is a couple of ingredients, whisk them up in a bowl and you're good to go. So I want to show you two that I use all the time, and you can see that they have minimal ingredients to them, but they also don't have canola oil, which is really damaging to your gut and your overall health. They don't have any added sugar, they don't have any added preservatives. So if you are trying to heal and seal your gut, or if you have gut related issues, then making your own salad dressings is going to be so beneficial for you, because you can, make a delicious salad, pimp it out with a good salad dressing, and it just makes it a little bit more tasty, enjoyable. And yeah, it's just one of my favorite things to play around with. You can have the same salad with 3 different dressings and it makes it taste completely different. So if you're someone that is, say, a creature of habit that likes to shop for the same ingredients, then this is a good way to kind of mix it up a little bit. But the aim of the game is to be having more vegetables, more nutritious food, and by making your own salad dressings, you can, as I said, control what you're putting in your diet, how much oil you're having, everything like that. So without further ado, let's dive into the video and show you how to make a few different salad dressings.
So first of all, you want to use 2 tablespoons of avocado, or just as close to 2 tablespoons as you can get. 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. This is about a cup's worth of chopped coriander. Now you can also use different herbs like basil or parsley. I just like coriander, I just find it very refreshing. You want to process this in a very small blender. You can use a hand mixer or a food processor to blend this up. And that's basically it. Now you don't actually have to use this just for salads. I actually don't mind using this for putting it over some warm vegetables as well, or even some dipping sauce for some meat. But however you use it, it is really, really tasty. I make this recipe probably twice a week. It is my favourite and it's so easy. You want 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Then you want the juice of some lemon, so we're going to use 2 tablespoons. Now, using equal amounts for oil and also lemon or lime juice just balances out the consistency. So you want to give that a little whisk until it's combined. And then we're going to add the Dijon mustard. So I'm using 2 heaped teaspoons because a tablespoon won't fit into my jar. And then you want to give that a little whisk as well. Make sure that's well combined and nice and creamy. And then I like to add some pepper as well. That's a personal preference, you don't have to add pepper, but it does just give it a little bit of depth as well, depth and spice. And then that's basically it. You just need to pour that into a jar And again, you can use this on salads, you can use this on vegetables, you can also use this on meat as well.
And if you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.